Where are you going to go? What are you doing? There you go. We're mobile. Maybe. What? You're going to wear my shorts? Those are my shorts. And there he goes. He's going to crawl under my bed. Hudson, come here. Come here, bud. Oh, he's going to get Mother's hat. Those are my shorts, kiddo. Hudson. Hudson. No, he's going to pull up. He was really trying to pull up at daycare. What? Those are Mommy's. Of course they don't fit you. See? Those are too big. Come on, Hudson. Come here. Let's see if Hudson will crawl to us. Hudson. Hudson. Nope, he's going that way. He says, oh, I'm going over here. Look at him go. Of course he's going to go get the cables over there, those wires. Hudson. Oh, a hanger. I could play this, Mom. Look at him. Baby. Hudson. Oh, thank you for unplugging that. Yeah, ignore all my junk in the floor over there. Hudson. Our BB. Is our BB crawling? Yeah. Yeah. BB. BB. Hudson. 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 Go get the hanger and bring it over here. See if I'll cut it and try to get it. Oh, be gentle. Say, come here, baby. Come get it. Come get it, Hudson. You want it? Here he comes. He says, yes, I can crawl. I'm coming for it. I'm going to get it. Oh, my goodness. Look at you. A little more. You're so cute. Hey, Connor. Connor. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Look at the camera. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye too. Cute little butt.